Welcome to Beyond the Block. Today, we're unraveling the phenomenon of NFTs, or non-fungible tokens. First, non-fungible. It simply means something is unique, much like two different art pieces. On the contrary, fungible items, like your dollar or Bitcoin, are identical and interchangeable. Now, where do NFTs come into the picture? They exist on blockchains, signifying sole ownership of a unique digital file. Ever wondered how to confirm the original creator of a digital piece? NFTs are the answer. Imagine crafting a piece of digital art. This art can transform into an NFT, which, besides being a token, carries specific details like its unique digital footprint. Once this is on a blockchain, you're officially the owner. And if you decide to sell, the blockchain ensures the transaction's integrity. But an essential point, the actual artwork doesn't reside within the NFT. What you truly gain by owning an art's NFT are rights of originality, backed by blockchain. And though you might hold the NFT, the creator typically retains reproduction rights. NFTs have a broader horizon than just art. From concert tickets to domain names to properties, the NFT realm is expansive. An intriguing fact: the first tweet by Twitter's founder was sold as an NFT, fetching a staggering $2.9 million. What gives an NFT its value? Simply put, it's demand. If someone's willing to pay a certain amount, that's its value. But a word of caution: today's trending NFT can be tomorrow's old news. On the tech side, NFTs essentially function as smart contracts on blockchains, detailing an item's distinct features and its chain of ownership. Some even ensure royalties for the original creators upon resales. So, there we have it. NFTs demystified, brought to you by Beyond the Block. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that subscribe button and stay updated with the digital universe's intricacies. Until next time, keep exploring.